welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check the balance on a Visa gift card. Checking the balance of a Visa gift card is generally a straightforward process, but it's important to understand that the exact steps can vary slightly depending on the issuer of the card. So here's the general guide. First, the most important step is to check the back of the card. You should find a toll-free customer service phone number and a website. Go to the website address printed on the back of the card. There you enter 16-digit card number, expiration date, and a 3-digit CVV code located at the back of the card. Once you've entered the information, you should be able to view your current balance. You can also check the balance by phone. Call the toll-free customer service number printed on the back of the card. Follow the automated prompt. You will likely be asked to enter the same information as you would online. That is the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and a 3-digit CVV code. The automated system will then provide your current balance. It's important for you to consider that Visa gift cards are issued by various banks and financial institutions. Therefore, the specific website and phone number you need to use will depend on the issuer. Also, ensure that your Visa gift card has been activated before attempting to check the balance. If it hasn't, you may need to follow the activation information provided with the card. Don't forget to be cautious about providing your card information on unfamiliar websites or to unsolicited phone calls. Only use the official website or customer service number printed on the back of your card. I hope you found this video helpful.